Thanks, Fallon.
Hi guys, today we are going to do an experiment called Tornado in a Jar. Now all you need is a jar of water, vinegar, and liquid of soap. Add the vinegar first, and then the soap. And then put the jar on top. Here's my trusty assistant, Genevieve, who's going to help us see the tornado.
So first you put it in front, and that's how you see the tornado.
So for the final step, shake the jar and swirl it in a circle. And that's how you make a tornado. After that experiment, I'm hungry. Jaden, what snack are you sharing with us today?